In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to clear cache on your GoDaddy website. This is a fundamental tool that you ought to know if you want to maintain speed and responsiveness on your website. So let's dive right into how we can clear your GoDaddy cache efficiently and effectively. Our journey begins right on the home page of GoDaddy. After successfully logging into your account, navigate your way to the GoDaddy product page. This may not be the first thing that greets you after signing in, but do not worry. Scan through the options you have on your screen until you identify the product page. You'll find it eventually, and when you do, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now that you've successfully gained access to your GoDaddy product page, your next task is to find an option that reads Website Security and Backups. To make this process easier for you, this section is usually found in the service listings on the products page. Take your time to visually sift through the options available until you locate Website Security and Backups. Although the exact position of this option may vary based on your account's individual settings, it's typically somewhere in the middle of the page. Within the Website Security and Backups section, your eyes should be peeled for a button or option that reads Manage. This Manage button will be located right next to the GoDaddy account you intend to use for this operation. Spend some time to determine which account is the right one, especially if you've got multiple GoDaddy accounts. Once you've confirmed the correct account, go ahead and select the Manage option that aligns with it. You're getting closer to your goal now. After successfully selecting Manage next to the account you want to use, you'll find yourself within a new set of options. For this step, you are interested in the one titled Performance. As indicated by its name, here is where you manage the operations that determine the quality of performance your website delivers. Among these numerous options, find the one that explicitly says Clear Cache. Now, you've made it to the final step. The Clear Cache button is your final destination. Click it to clear any cached data that exists within your GoDaddy account. Be ready for a potential loading or processing time, as the amount of data being cleared could influence how much time this process takes. And congratulations! Now, you've successfully gone through the process of clearing cache on GoDaddy. Like we always say, practice makes perfect, so don't feel deterred if the first attempt took longer than expected. With continuous usage, you'll become accustomed to the process and be able to navigate it with ease in future. Thank you for following along this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that help you make the most of your GoDaddy account.